Hello friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain the new topic from RRB Maths, Mensuration. So today we will discuss about area and perimeters. Area and perimeters of some figures. Okay, so in this first one, square. First one, square. So what is square? It is a four-sided polygon. It is a four-sided polygon like this. I am naming as ABCD square, and it has four sides polygon. It is also known as four sides polygon, which is same length. Okay, so all these sides are same length, and the 90 degrees is the angle present between one and two lines. Okay, so in this first one, area. So how to find area means, this is calling as, I am calling as S, and this is also S, and this is S, and this is also S. S means side. So area is nothing but side into side. Multiplication of two adjacent sides is known as square area. S square. Okay. So two same terms multiplying means S square. And the perimeter is, is 4 into side, because here the sum of all these sides is known as perimeter, which means S plus 4 times we have to add the S. So here I am taking S as common, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is S into 4, 4 into S. So this is the perimeter. And here diagonal. Diagonal means from one vertex to another opposite vertex is known as diagonals. Okay, so in this I am taking, this is the O point, and these two diagonals are equal. Okay, so the diagonal formula here is root 2 into side. Root 2 into side. How means, if I take triangle DBC, so this is the triangle DBC, and here if I draw the triangle DBC, so this is the diagonal I am taking A. Okay, so these two are sides. How to find diagonal means, this is the right angled triangle. So this is a right angled triangle. So here hypotenuse square. This is hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. So A square equal to S square plus S square. Okay, so A square equal to S square plus square, 2S square. A is equal to root 2 S square, which is nothing but S root 2. Because S square means square root S square, yes. And the root 2 is not perfect square, so S root 2. So this is the diagonal. Okay. And another form of area is half into diagonal square. Half into diagonal square. So this is the another formula of area. Okay, so this is square. And the next one, rectangle. Second one, rectangle. So rectangle is also four-sided polygon, and in this small difference is there between square and rectangle is opposite sides are equal in rectangle, and in squares and in square all sides are equal. So this is rectangle A, B, C, D, and the angle between two sides is 90 degrees. Okay, so in this, here this is DC is DC equal to AB. We already know. I am taking this as a length, and AD equals to BC equals to B, breadth. Okay, so first one, area. So how to find area? L into B. Adjacent sides we have to multiply. L into B. And perimeter. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B, because we have to add all these sides. So L plus B, and this is also B, and this is also L. So L plus B, which is nothing but 2L plus 2B. If we common the 2 into L plus B. So this is the perimeter formula. Okay. So like this we can derive. And the next one, diagonal. So diagonal is nothing but this. And this is the common point O. So the diagonal formula is root over L square plus B square. L square plus B square. Which means if I consider triangle DBC, so this is the triangle DBC, and this is length as per the triangle. This is length and this is breadth, and this is diagonal A. So we can say hypotenuse square equals to remaining two sides square. Okay. So here A is equals to root over L square plus B square. So that's it. This is the formula of diagonal. Okay. So this is rectangle. So this is the commonly used, and if you see some examples, if diagonal of square is 5 root 2, then area of square is, if you see example, if diagonal of a square is 5 root 2, which means diagonal is 5 root 2 centimeters, then the area, we have to find the area. So what is the formula of area when they give diagonal is, area is equals to half into diagonal square. If you substitute the value, half into 5 root 2 whole square. Okay, so this is split into 5 into 5 square into root 2 square. So square gets cancelled. So half into 5 square 25 into 2 50. So 2 ones are 2 25s are. So the area is 25 centimeters square. So this is the answer. Okay, so like this we can do. So another process. If we do long process, suppose this is the square and this is the diagonal passing 5 root 2. So what is the diagonal formula? A root 2 or S root 2. So S root 2 is the diagonal formula and I got diagonal 5 root 2. Okay, so we have to equate. So root 2 gets cancelled and the remaining is S equals to 5 centimeters. Side equals to 5 centimeters. Okay, so apply the area formula. Area equals to S square, which means 5 square centimeter square, which is nothing but 25 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the area formula. We have to find like this area when they give diagonal in another process. Okay. So this is the first example. And if we see next one, if diagonal of square and rectangle are equal, then side of square is. Okay, so this is the question. If diagonal of a square and a rectangle are equal, then the side of the square is. So the diagonal of square is S root 2, which is equals to root over L square plus B square. Okay, so this is the equating. So this is the rectangle diagonal and this is square diagonal. Both are equal. So we have to find the S. So S equal to, if we transfer this term to this side, root over L square plus B square by root 2. So this is commonly written as S equal to root over L square plus B square by 2. So this is the side formula when the diagonals are equal. Okay. So this is the second example, and if you see third example, if length equals to 4 centimeters, breadth equals to 2 centimeters, then find the diagonal of square. If diagonal of square is equals to rectangle. So this is the third example. If length equals to 4 centimeters, breadth equals to 2 centimeters, then find the diagonal of square if diagonal of square and rectangle are equal. Here we already know the formula. Side is equals to root over L square plus B square by 2. So from this we can write S root 2 equals to root over L square plus B square. So this is the diagonal. So S root 2 is equal to 4 square plus 2 square, root over 4 square plus 2 square. Substitute the values. So S root 2 equals to root over 4 square 16. 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4. So S root 2 equals to root over 20. So S root 2 equals to, so this is written as 4 into 5, which means 2 root 5. Okay. diagonal. Okay, S root 2 means diagonal. S root 2, but this is not a form of diagonal, which means here root 2, root 5, both are not equal. So this is not a diagonal. If you see another process, by the formula of this only. So S is equals to root over 4 square plus 2 square by 2. Okay, so S is equals to root over 4 square plus 2 square means 20 by 2. S is equals to root 10. So this is the side formula. So how to find diagonal means S root 2. We have to multiply with root 2. So 10 root 10 into root 2, which is equals to 2 root 5. So this is the diagonal. Okay. So that process is also correct. Okay. So this is the third example. And the today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.